is a delicious and popular Iranian appetizer that we make today.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us.
For making a delicious Kashke Bademjan, we should have
5 or 6 chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of fried dried mince, 4 tablespoons of fried onion, and 2 tablespoons of fried garlic.
2 tablespoons of curd that is mixed with a half cup of water and 500 grams of fried aubergines, or if you want to have a low oil meal, you can also use grilled aubergines such as me.
Stay with us. I crushed the aubergines.
I add the fried onion and garlic, but I keep some of them for its decoration. I fry them. After 10 minutes, I add the mixture of curd and water. Put the lid and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Kashke Bademjan is ready.
I don't like this food because I don't know where are those walnuts. Oh, but I can't see them on the Kashke Bademjan. Really? Wow, they're so small. They're so small. I couldn't see them. Okay,